Let's talk about users and roles in Magento 2. We are in dashboard on the main page, and now let's go to system. And we have a section here, permissions. We could add new users in all users, and we could create new roles in user roles. Okay, so let's quickly discuss this scenario. Let's imagine that we need someone to help us with sales. So we actually need a salesperson who will able to manage the orders. First of all, we will need to create a specific user role for this person. So I'm gonna click on user roles, okay? And here I'm gonna click on add new role. Okay, and let's call this role sales. And here I'm gonna type my current super admin password to make sure that I have enough privilege to create a role. Okay, and now let's go to the tab role resources. Here we need to determine which parts of the website, or practically which parts of dashboard, will be accessible to this particular role. As we discussed, we want to have someone help us with sales. So let's select the following section, sales. Okay, practically that's all. I'm gonna skip the other sections, and now I'm gonna click save role. So we have created a new role, and we call it this role sales. And now let's go to system, all users, and now let's create an account for this salesperson. I'm gonna click add new user, and here I'm gonna fill out all the required fields. So the username, let's create the following username, John Doe. Okay, let's call this person John Doe, and let's type some email related to this person. Here I'm gonna type password, and here I'm gonna confirm password. Here we need to select the locale for this person, practically speaking the language of admin interface. Here we need to select whether we're going to activate this account or not, so let's leave active. And finally we need to enter our current super admin password, so I'm gonna enter my password here. Let's click user role tab. On this page, let's select the role for this person. So I'm gonna select sales. Okay, and now I'm gonna click save user. Well done, we have created a new user based on specific user role. Now let's log in using the credential of this user to make sure that everything works the way we expect. I'm gonna open a browser in new window. Okay, then I'm gonna type the address of the dashboard. Okay, and now I'm gonna enter the credential of this person. Great, we could log in into this account, and as you could see, everything works the way we expect. The only sales section is available to us because we assigned sales role to this person. So if we click sales, we could see all the features related to sales. Use this feature to create new roles as well, add new users, and that should help you to manage your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.